In ancient China, the pursuit of beauty took a form that now seems almost unimaginable. Foot binding, a practice that began in the 10th century, symbolized elegance and social status among the upper classes. Young girls' feet were tightly wrapped with cloth bandages, not just for a day, but permanently molding them into the tiny, revered Lotus feet. This practice was deeply rooted in the cultural ideals of femininity and modesty. Small, bound feet were the epitome of refinement and were crucial in determining a woman's marriageability and social standing. But behind the allure of Lotus feet lay a harsh reality. The consequences were severe: permanent physical deformity, disability, and excruciating pain. These women, with their feet folded into themselves, faced a lifetime of mobility impairment and dependence on others for simple daily tasks. Infections were common, often leading to life-threatening complications. Moreover, the psychological and social impacts were profound. While small feet were celebrated, the reality of living with bound feet also meant enduring social stigma and isolation, reinforcing harmful patriarchal norms. Thankfully, by the early 20th century, this painful practice was prohibited, marking a pivotal moment in the fight for women's rights and gender equality. Today, the story of foot binding serves as a stark reminder of the lengths to which societies will go to mold women into symbols of idealized beauty, often at the cost of their health and freedom.